Today I am planning to explain future tense, simple future tense story. On Saturday, Katie will be 1 year old. Katie's parents are going to have a birthday party. The party is going to begin at noon on Saturday. Many people will be at the party. Katie will have so much fun. Katie's dad is going to cook hamburgers. Katie's grandmother is going to bring ice cream. Katie's aunt is going to bake a cake. It will be a chocolate cake. Katie will love her cake. All of Katie's relatives will bring presents. Katie is going to open her presents after lunch. Then everyone will eat cake and ice cream. Katie is going to have a good first birthday. So this story is in present tense, a future tense, a simple future tense. Katie is one baby. On Saturday, Katie will be 1 year old. On Saturday, this baby will completing 1 year. For her birthday, Katie's parents, her parents, going to have a birthday party. Party means they invite other peoples for her daughter's birthday, and they decorate their house with some balloons and flowers. After that, they will invite guests for cutting cake and all. That is how they celebrate. The party is going to begin at noon on Saturday. When that party will start, and at noon, afternoon time, they will start on Saturday. That is how they planned. During that time, they will cut the cake with her daughter. They make her daughter to cut the cake on this time. They hold her daughter's hand, and that is how they celebrate. While cutting, they also hold her to cut, because she's 1 year old baby. She doesn't know how to cut and all. So many people will be at the party. So many number of people will come for the party. Katie will have so much fun. So here now she didn't have. During that time she will have surprising fun, enjoying her during her birthday time. Katie will have so much fun. She will enjoy that time. Katie's dad is going to cook hamburgers. What her dad will do during her birthday, on Saturday her birthday, that time her father is cooking, is going to cook hamburgers. Katie's grandmother, what her grandmother do? Her grandmother is going to bring ice cream for her birthday, granddaughter's birthday. Her grandmother is going to bring ice cream. Katie's aunt is going to bake a cake. Her aunt will cook a cake, bake a cake for celebrating her birthday. It will be a chocolate cake. The flavor of that cake is chocolate. Chocolate cake her aunt is going to bake. Katie will love her cake. So that baby will love her aunt's cake. What she will cook for her birthday, chocolate cake, that baby will love. All of Katie's relatives will bring presents. So that baby's relatives will bring gifts for her birthday. Katie is going to open her presents after lunch, after having her lunch. So that baby here she open after having her lunch. She is going to open. Then everyone will, after that, everyone will eat cake and ice cream. Katie is going to have a good first birthday. So she will have fantastic birthday, her first birthday. That is how she will celebrate. So this story is in simple future tense. So there are some questions here. How old? Answer the following questions. How old will Katie be on Saturday? Actually, it's written Thursday. On story, it was Saturday. How old will Katie be on Saturday? What time is her party going to start? Katie will be 1 year old on Saturday, and her birthday is going to, our birthday party is going to happen at noon. Who is going to bake the cake? Our baby's aunt. Katie's aunt is going to bake the cake. What kind of cake will it be? It's a chocolate cake. It will be a chocolate cake. When is Katie is going to open her presents? After she is having her lunch, she will open. After having her lunch, Katie will open her presents. What will happen then? What will happen then? After that, everyone will eat ice cream, cake and ice cream. Rewrite the following sentences. Questions WH using the underline. Examples of the sentence. Alex will make dinner tonight. When we turn this sentence in negative, Alex will not make dinner tonight. Alex will make dinner tonight. That means he will do cooking tonight. When we turn that same sentence in negative, which will become like this. Alex will not make dinner tonight. Yes, no questions. Will Alex make dinner tonight? Interrogative. Someone is asking whether Alex will do dinner or what. WH question. Who will make dinner tonight? Who will make dinner tonight? Alex. Tag question. Alex will make dinner tonight, won't he? Like same question ends at the end. Tag questions, the question ends at the end. Won't he? Alex will make dinner tonight, won't he? Simple future tense. Katie will be 1 year old, same as I explained before. So when we turn this into negative, that time, let's get into the story. 1 second. Let me explain. How old will be Katie on Saturday? Katie will be 1 year old on Saturday. Her party is going to start at noon. What time is her birthday is going to start? Her party is going to start at noon. Who is going to bake the cake? Katie's aunt is going to bake the cake. It will be a chocolate cake. How old will Katie be on Saturday? Katie will be 1 year old on Saturday. Our party is going to start at noon. Who is going to bake the cake? What kind of cake will it be? Katie's aunt is going to bake the cake. It will be a chocolate cake. When is Katie going to open her presents? Then what will happen? Katie is going to open her presents after lunch. Katie is going to open her presents after lunch. Then everyone will eat ice cream, cake. Everyone will eat cake and ice cream. Rewrite the following sentences as negative. Katie will be 1 year old. When we turn this same sentence in negative, that time it will become like this. Katie will not be 1 year old. Yes, no questions. Will Katie be 1 year old? WH question. Who will be 1 year old? Tag question. Katie will be 1 year old, won't she? Yes, she will be 1 year old. It will be a chocolate cake. Negative. It will not be a chocolate cake. Yes, no questions. Will it be a chocolate cake? Someone is asking, will it be a chocolate cake? Interrogative. That time we ask like this. Will it be a chocolate cake? WH question. What kind of cake will it be? Tag question. It will be a chocolate cake, won't it? Katie is going to open her presents after lunch. When she will open after having lunch, she is going to open her presents after the lunch. Negative. Katie is not going to open her presents after lunch. When we turn positive into negative, that time this sentence will become like this. Katie is not going to open her presents after lunch. Yes, no question. Is Katie is going to open her presents after lunch? WH, if someone is interacting and asks that time, that person asks like this, is Katie is going to open her presents after lunch? Yes, in the story she is going to open her presents after lunch. WH question, what is Katie is going to do after lunch? What is Katie is going to do after lunch? She is going to open her presents after lunch. Tag question, Katie is going to open her presents after lunch, isn't she? Like we ask them like that. Like native speakers, they usually talk in this way. They say like this, Katie is going to open her presents after lunch, isn't she? That is how they ask. On Saturday, Katie will be 1 year old. Katie's parents are going to have a birthday party. The party is going to begin at noon on Saturday. Many people will be at the party. Katie will have so much fun. Katie's dad is going to. Yeah, that's all. It's finished. So this story is in simple future tense. Future tense, that time we use will. WILL, will. This we use. Like when we know something, when we plan, that time we use going to. Here Katie's parents are going to, because her parents know that bird, and also here they are using Katie's parents are going to have a birthday party. The party is going to begin at noon, because all things they have planned. They know about their daughter's birthday. So here they are using going to. And many people will be at the party. They don't know how many people will come. So they are telling. So usually when they invite other people, and they invited so many people, so they were telling many people will be at the party. Katie will have so much fun. During birthday, she will have fun. That time, this thing not happened in the past or at the present, but during her birthday, it is going to happen. Katie will have so much, so she will have enjoy so much. So overall, her birthday will be fun, enjoying and surprising gifts and all. So her first birthday will be very good. Good birthday she's having. She's going to have. So Katie is going to have a good first birthday. Her first birthday was is going to be a fantastic year. So we use this exclamatory symbol during a surprise, strong emotions, feelings. That time we use. Here her birthday is surprising and fun. So they have used exclamatory symbol. I hope you understand this story.